All right, hello guys. I'm going to show you how you can post your Reader's Notebook link. So this is how you post it. Obviously, this is the form that you were just at. So you're going to go to your notebook and a new tab. And in the top right corner, there should be a yellow button that says share. You're going to click that share button. Hopefully your computer loads faster than mine. But down here at the bottom, it says get link, Houston ISD School District. Anyone in this group can view this link. I'm not sure if yours says that. Whatever it says, go ahead and copy the link. This little black box should pop up which says link copied, and then you'll click done. It's really that simple. So then you'll go back, you'll fill out this form, right? You'll fill out your student ID number, tell me your class period, and then you are going to go down and it says paste the link to your notebook here. You're going to click, then right click and paste. And then you will submit, and that is how you get your Reader's Notebook link.